wanna let you know and proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better. You challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Let me help you. Take off your shoes, untie your shoestrings. Take off your cufflinks. You wanna eat food? Let me feed you. Let me run your bath water. Whatever you desire, I'll aspire. Sing you a song, turn my game on. I'll brush your hair, help you put your do-rag on. Wanna foot rub, want a manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you, 'cause baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man, baby, you blow me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart, ain't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man, I put my life in your hands. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, I wanna cater to you. Baby, I'm happy at home, let me hold you in my arms. I just wanna take the stress away from you, making sure that I'm doing my part. But is there something you need me to do? If you want it, say the word, I'll try it. I know whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you, my body and spirit. I promise you, I keep myself up, remain the same chick you fell in love with. I keep it tight, I keep my figure right. I'll keep my hair fixed, keep rocking the hottest out.
So guys, good morning. Well, not good morning. It is the next day. I got my hair done. I put in my clip-ins again. Some of you guys messaged me about the hair, the clip-ins. So if you bought a hair vendor from me forever ago, it is one of the Indian, the raw Indian. Mom, look, this is coming off.
Just clip it off. That's trouble when you go to clip it.
Or maybe I just tack a little bit of glue right here. It is, if you bought the hair vendor from me, it is in the raw hair section of the vendor list, and just do the Indian. So that's the vendor, and you guys have it. I'm not selling hair vendors anymore. So yeah, that's that. But mom's here with me. I just went and met this photographer that I'm gonna be like doing some pictures with. I did like a photo shoot like a while ago. Those pictures turned out horrible. Like, I'm sorry, like they just were not hidden how they were supposed to be hidden. So I'm not gonna post them. That was like a waste, to be honest. Like, I just did not like those pictures. They were just not hidden how they were supposed to be hidden, right, Mom? You know, he sent me the other ones. Did I show you those? They look horrible. This is what I want my stomach to look like. I can look like that. Not true, Miguel. I just have to stop eating at nighttime. I said what I said.
No.
Dang, girl, why are you in my phone?
Okay, girl. Girl, I don't want nothing out of this whole crack up phone.
Oh my god. Okay, I just haven't had time to go upgrade my phone, okay? I have the upgrade. I'm just dilly-dallying because they said the new phone's coming out in
problems by front.
Hi guys, so pretty much it is Sunday. My mom and I are mom's gonna go get a pedicure. I'm going to go get dip on my nails. Okay, so all the black people are going here, so it must be good. Where the black people get their nails done, that's where I want to go. So I popped off my nails. I can't get two off. I'm just gonna go get dip really quick. Where's your phone?
Yeah,
so hopefully they can do my nails. And mom's getting a pedicure. I will take you guys with us if they let me record in there. But my nails just look horrible, and I have a thing about my nails, my toes, and what else? My nails, toes, and I guess hair sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't matter about my hair, but definitely my nails. I don't like nails that look gross. My nails look gross. Come on, mommy. Should I put my glasses in the bag? Here. Mom, you have cash? I can always tip them on my card. I don't have no cash.
If you tell me, I have a $20 nail.
Big baller. Who bought you that shirt from Mango?
This?
Me. She ain't gonna tell y'all, but I be sugar daddy my mom, okay? So guys, I don't know if I told you we went to the nail salon, but they are completely booked, so we have to go back at 3. So we just dropped in at TJ Maxx to pick up some stuff. Is this yours? Yeah, this is yours. Oh my gosh, my nails are like falling off. I cannot wait to get my nails on, guys. Nothing stressed me out more than when my nails look horrible. I don't know, I just think your nails and your whatever should always look. This is yours. Let me share with what I got. No, this is your bag. Where's mine? Here. Mom, you gonna share what you bought?
You want to share it?
No, I'm not sharing your things, my girl. You have to share it if you want. Why are your hands so wet?
Wash it.
What the fun, guys? So let me show you guys what I bought from TJ Maxx. This is yours. You not even look at it. Okay, to see if it's sealed.
You got pictures?
Yeah. So, from TJ Maxx, I got a Impressions Vanity travel mirror. I saw one from Vanity Planet, but it was like $100. This one is only $16, and you can just do your makeup. You can charge it. And it has the light, which I love, because I'd be struggling to do my makeup when I'm traveling. And then I got this shirt. It's cute. I like little shirts that I can throw on. I got a whole bunch of toothpaste because it was on sale. I got this aloe face wash that I absolutely love. I love to like cleanse my face after I use my makeup wipes. And that is all I got. Mom, do you want to share? Go on, Miguel.
Milk soap. I also got one of these mirrors.
She wants to be me so bad.
And you want to be me all on you.
Nivea.
Nivea lotion, I love it. And like body wash.
What is it?
Body wash.
Oh,
Olay.
Olay.
That's about it. People, that's about it.
Yeah. Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So some about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, when the girl feel my dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. Yeah. You make a rock, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, let me what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is on mine.
So I was on Instagram this morning and I saw that everyone is saying, not everyone, but a good amount of people is agreeing that the song Cater to You by Destiny's Child should be canceled. Okay, first of all, unpopular opinion, because I don't see a lot of people saying that that the song shouldn't be canceled. But unpopular opinion, that song is not being canceled for me. Sorry, not sorry. Everyone is saying that the song is like a slave song. I'm not doing this for, I'm like, what in the world? And I was like, wait, like, you know, when you do stuff like, you know, when you like stuff at like a certain age or whatever, and you're like, wait, like, was this song bad? You know, it's a different time now. And I go and I like read the lyrics, and I'm like, damn, this song is still a bop. Okay. I don't understand why you would object to catering to someone that is treating you well. I can see if like a guy isn't treating you well. Yeah, if a girl's not treating you well, why would you want to cater to them? That song does not apply. It's like the same thing as saying, like, if the shoe fits, wear it. And if a guy or a girl is like treating you right, making you happy, and, you know, doing all the things that you require to feel secure, why wouldn't you want to cater to them? Am I missing something? Please let me know if I'm missing something. If you're in a relationship that you're not being catered to, if you're in a relationship that is not, you know, fulfilling you, of course you wouldn't want to cater to them. Why would you? That don't make no sense, sweetie. Why would you want to cater to someone that isn't doing what, you know? So listen, if I'm with someone that makes me happy, I'm catering to them. I want them to be happy. I want to be happy. I'm not gonna ask for something that I can't give. Okay? People are really out here canceling Cater to You. That song, listen, my husband, if he's making me happy, baby, you don't even have to question it. Okay? I'm catering. Hello. I'm setting up shop. Okay? I'm catering. Funny. And the comments was like, these can't be the men that Destiny's Child said to cater to. Listen, it is, if you find someone that is making you happy, it works, listen, stay happy, stay in the relationship, don't sweat the small stuff, because listen, these dating jungle, oh my god, it literally is a jungle. Like, I have some stories to tell when it comes to this dating world. Like, it is crazy, like crazy. Like, I feel like, why is it, you know, the sneaky link or the people that you don't expect to fall for, those are the people you fall for? Like, make it make sense. Like, and the people that you have no business liking or talking to, those are the people you want to talk to. I just don't get it. Somebody make it make sense for me. Huh? Make it make sense. But I always say, like, in life, in everything, I am constantly learning about myself. I'm constantly learning about what I like, what I don't like. You know, I have noticed with myself that I just expect, not that I expect, but I just think that, you know, if you're kind and you're true and, you know, all these things, then good will follow you and whatever. And I still think that good will follow you, but I don't expect myself out of people. That is what I have learned. And I also don't expect, just because you're nice, that someone's gonna be nice to you. And I don't expect, just because someone says something, you know, that's what they truly mean. It's just like their actions. So I am learning, especially in dating. And I think if you are dating, you're single or whatever, setting boundaries really you know, does weed out the people that aren't for you. And I was like struggling with that. I was given chances that I shouldn't be given, and now I'm like in a place where I feel a little, not that I feel dangerous, but I just am like, my tolerance of what I accepted, not that I was like accepting like garbage, but if I tell you something and it's just not aligned with you, I just don't have the patience or the mind to sit and hear you explain like why you are the way you are. It's just like, hey, we're just not aligned, and that's okay. Like,
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, and what you do, that's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
guys, are y'all feeling this side issue? I mean, this side part, or do you guys like the middle part on me? Anyways, I'm on the phone with my auntie. I wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys. I was too excited, so I already opened one of them. But you guys know I love fragrances, so I picked up, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna link it down below. This is what it looks like.
What's the name, girl?
Fresh Couture, the Tory Burch perfume. I bought the orange one for my mom. Jaden, Lisha, what inch should I do my hair? 28? Is 28 too much?
150.
Listen to this, Makeda. Okay, so then we have the Tory Burch. Mom? Yo, this smells like fire. You know how long I wanted this perfume, but I thought I was gonna find a man. Not a man. I thought I was gonna have a little boo and I could be like, baby, buy me the Tory Burch. But guess who's buying herself the Tory Burch? Me. What the planca? This smells so good. I have got to stay out of the sun, Leash. I have got to stay out of the sun. Okay? Because my body is not tanning evenly. My arms, one side of my arms is super, Anyways, guys. Guys, do you think it is important to just stay, Mom, I just don't like to whatever. I'm gonna stay, you just never know if you're gonna cross paths with someone again. So I just
So why we can't part with him?
Listen, I'm just not gonna be mean, and I'm not gonna be whatever. What is that gonna do? I'm gonna get myself upset, and what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
You can steal your money and you don't know. And him have your bag of money.
What's gonna happen?
And you say money and nothing.
I don't like how I did this on my hair. Like how she parts it, she always parts my hair so good, and I can't get it. Y'all, do y'all like this side part?
Frozen girl, make it no come on.
I need you. My damn business. You know what helps you stay young, healthy, great skin, great mind?
Tell the people business.
All right. That is rule number 1. Look at this car, it has pink wheels. Hello. Hella kids up in this bitch. What is it? Hella kids up in this bitch is a sticker on this like minivan. That is so funny.
Your man not text today, your English.
My English?
English man never bother your ass.
I don't have no man. I don't want not one man to bother my mind, my soul, or my spirit. Cause the next one, we fighting. I don't want. I saw this post and it said, my next relationship is either gonna end in a funeral or a marriage. So either way, get dressed. I said, who makes these? That is hilarious. The next guy I date, I really don't want it to end. I don't want to tell nobody else my favorite color. I don't want to go through it again. You know, some people enjoy dating. They enjoy going on dates. Are you like that? You like stuff like that? They enjoy going on dates. They enjoy telling people their favorite color. Me, I want to tell one and done. So it's a song about talking about catering to your man. You think that's wrong to cater to your man?
You mean cater to your man?
So the song is like, how does it go? So cater meaning like you'll do things for him. You'll cook for him. You'll put on his head wrap and all.
Wrong. If you don't treat her right, treat her
Oh
right.
my God, you are my mother. I said the same thing. I was like, why are you guys canceling this song? First of all, if a man...
If you don't treat her right, treat him right.
Period.
Love goes where it comes from.
Yeah. You think I'm gonna be...
Treat her like a queen, treat him like a king.
You think I'm gonna be with a man that is treating me amazing
and
and
like a shit, you run him out of your house in the winter. Grass, with him bungle goat. And treat you good, treat him good.
Yeah.
You take a fin queen, you take a fin king.
Yeah.
You're king.
Simple. But you know what I've noticed with a lot of men? I don't know if they have like issues or something, but it's like they want to like put you through like the ringer first, like all these obstacles, and see if like you stay. If you stay after they torture you, I don't like that.
You know, if I saw in the plan for doing, I go torture me twice, once.
I let them torture me twice and then I'm out.
When they torture me, they're at prison.
I just have to make sure. Sometimes I'm like, maybe you're having an off day, and I give you another chance, and then the second time I'm like, but you know what's so dangerous with me? I'm either hot or I'm cold. It's either I'm into you or I'm not into you, and I can't fake it. The ones with money, the ones without money, the ones with little money, the ones with medium money, they're all the same. Not true. Not true. Now these, like the men, they want to be treated. They want to be treated like the women. They want to be chased. And baby, I'm not Usain Bolt. I'm not. I feel like when the man goes after you, it works out better.
When him love you, we make work out better.
Yeah. I don't know why I'm attracted to all these. When I go home, I'm gonna burn a candle and I'm gonna say a prayer and take a nap. I'm gonna cleanse my soul. I'm not talking.
You have to come to me tonight.
I'm not. That's no problem. I'm not. You know, maybe I should let you pick the guy I talk to. You can't find somebody nicer, man?
I don't ever find it.
Why? A woman can grow to love a man, but I've never seen a man grow to love a woman. I've never seen it. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. I've just never seen it.
You don't see it either.
Why can't you find somebody for me? Did I tell you that this Indian guy told me to let my parents pick the man for me?
Why?
I don't know. I think it's in their culture, and he was just like, he was shocked that I wasn't married and whatever. I was like, wait, what? I'm married, sir.
I watch an African show and I say you go for show.
So why don't you find somebody for me? You can't find somebody nice for me? You don't know nobody?
Savina.
I want to get out of the dating game. It's a jungle here. I know they're like, oh, in your 20s, you should be dating, having fun. And these men out here, they are emotionally unavailable, which is super important to me. You know who loved me? Lord have mercy.
Who?
I should have just called that in. I should have just dated him.
Who?
I'm not gonna say who. Anyways, Mom, you can't find somebody for me?
Put on yourself and wait. Anyways. I think a joke makes me kill a man.
You gotta kill nobody because I'm single.
Wait.
I'm single. Dating is tough in America. I think in Jamaica it's a lot easier. If I knew the dating game was like this, I would have started dating in basic school. I ain't going to
If you start
hold
dating in basic school, if you start dating in just man. When you come to the Wells Home Hospital.
That's where it's more. Dating is so hard. Let me tell you what kind of guys I like. Why don't you?
For me to cut up me like put pants with them on fire. You see don't like them.
Listen to that. Oh my gosh, my range is beautiful. I am someone that likes a guy that is not, it shares their feelings with me. Reassures me.
You don't want no man that chat to me all the time.
I don't want someone to talk to me all the time either. I like my alone time. But I like a guy that like does the little things. I like a guy that listens. I just want a nice guy. Is that so hard? Oh my gosh.
Just don't find one, wait.
Not the lunatics that I've been like talking to. It's like if
who love you, you don't want them. How they play you are.
It's always like that though. Mom, but I couldn't.
Who the rascal play? And them you want. Who love you and give your life you don't want them.
But I told you I'm gonna go on. I told you I'm going on a date with that guy, but no, listen. I cut off the other ones that were playing. Didn't I cut them off?
Shut up their foot and their brick.
Oh my god. I'm done. I'm not talking to them anymore. You don't believe me? I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.